Understanding Gender Inclusivity in Language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our video on gender inclusivity in language. This topic is not only relevant but also crucial in today's diverse and evolving society. Today, we'll explore what gender inclusivity means, why it's important, and how we can use language to respect and acknowledge all gender identities. Whether you're learning English or you're a native speaker looking to make your language more inclusive, this video is for you. Gender inclusivity refers to the practice of making sure our language and actions do not discriminate against people based on their gender. It means recognizing and respecting the wide variety of gender identities beyond just male and female. In terms of language, this involves using words, phrases, and pronouns that acknowledge and include all genders, ensuring that no one feels left out or marginalized. Inclusivity is key to fostering a sense of belonging and respect in any community. By using gender-inclusive language, we respect people's identities and preferences, which is fundamental to their dignity and self-esteem. Promote equality by challenging traditional gender norms and stereotypes. Create a more welcoming and inclusive environment for everyone, regardless of their gender identity. 1. Use gender-neutral pronouns. Instead of he or she, use they when referring to someone whose gender is unknown or when speaking about someone who prefers they/them pronouns. 2. Avoid gender-specific titles unless you know the person's preference. Use titles like Mix instead of Mr. or Ms., and opt for job titles like firefighter instead of fireman. 3. Ask for pronouns. If you're unsure about someone's pronouns, it's okay to ask. This shows respect for their identity. 4. Use inclusive language in written materials. Always look for ways to write and speak in ways that don't assume gender. For example, use everyone instead of ladies and gentlemen. Instead of saying, each student must submit his assignment by Monday, say, each student must submit their assignment by Monday. Replace phrases like the average man with the average person to avoid unnecessary gender specification. Thank you for watching our video on gender inclusivity in language. We hope it has shed some light on why it's important and how we can all make small changes in the way we communicate to create a more inclusive world. Remember, language is powerful and can shape our perceptions of ourselves and others. By being mindful of our words, we contribute to a more respectful and inclusive society. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to practice gender inclusivity in your daily life.